Welcome back to Dubai Eye, and now it's time for something spectacular. After 7 years' work, the Twisting Tower in Dubai Marina finally opened for the public.
After 7 years' work, the Twisting Tower in Dubai Marina was officially opened with a massive ceremony. Infinity Tower, which turns 90 degrees, is at 306 meters, the tallest twisted tower in the world. Its nearest equivalent, the Turning Torso in Malmö, Sweden, which is 90 meters tall. Architectural experts have said that the tower would become a Dubai landmark. According to the experts, the twisted design of the building made it a challenge to build. The beams and the columns were trying to rotate out of their position because of the eccentricity of the loads, which required a very careful and intricate structural design. At 73 stories, Infinity Tower will be mostly residential, with prices from apartments ranging from dirham 2 million for a one-bedroom to as much as dirham 3.5 million for a two-bedroom. The building's design would look as strange to people living inside as it is to those who are admiring it from outside. And certainly a unique project, but questions remain on how people would react to it when they're inside.
ये तो कुछ अमेजिंग था। अब बारी है आपको एक मजेदार इवेंट पे लेके चलने की।
The fourth largest sportswear brand in the world, Anta, launched their Middle East operation here in Dubai with so much talked about launch party and their very hardcore fashion show. Anta Sports Products Limited was established in 1994 and is a branded sportswear company from China. It involves the business of designing, developing, manufacturing and marketing of sportswear, including footwear, apparel, accessories under the brand name Anta. Legal International is the distributor for Anta in the MENA region with its headquarters in Dubai, UAE. Currently having a retail multi-brand presence in UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait and Lebanon.
Well, थक तो गए होंगे आप वर्ल्ड टॉलेस्ट ट्विस्टेड बिल्डिंग देखकर, तो ले ही लीजिए एक छोटा सा ब्रेक और वापस आइए ओनली ऑन दुबई आई।
A luxury couture house representing various talented designers from Pakistan and Dubai, ranging from bridal wear to western wear, all under the same roof. Carnival Fashion House is stored to a variety of designer jewellery suiting your every occasion need. Her name is synonymous with the Eleonora Annie signature salons, but what sets her apart is a difference between good and excellent. First makeup and fashion stylist in Lahore fashion scene, risen from a humble beginning of a home-run salon to an expanded empire, including Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad, Multan, Faisalabad, Peshawar and Dubai. Stylized with Annie at Eleonora.
दुबई आई पर आपका वेलकम है और वेलकम है आपका दुबई आई के स्पेशल डोज पर। अब हम आपको एक ऐसी जगह लेके जा रहे हैं जहां जाकर आप बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे। तो चलिए लेकर चलते हैं आपको डॉल्फिनेरियम दुबई पर।
Welcome to the Dubai Dolphinarium. Dubai Dolphinarium is an amazing place where you are guaranteed to meet some of the most beautiful animals that inhabit our oceans and have lots of fun with them. Their amazing shows and exciting interaction with the mammals are a must-watch for everyone. A great way to educate, entertain and learn for the young and the old. An unforgettable experience with the world's most loved animals. It's the first fully air-conditioned indoor dolphinarium in the Middle East with a temperature ranging from 21 degrees to 25 degrees. The aim of Dubai Dolphinarium is to provide a solid family entertainment and education about dolphins, seals and other marine life.
Every single morning we come into work, we do a health check on all of our dolphins and then we prepare their diets. All of our dolphins get their food weighed out every single day according to their body weight, so we make sure that their weight is always optimum and that they'll always be healthy. So we're very lucky that our dolphins are usually very well behaved and they do have a good relationship with their trainers. And we watch them all the time, and we will try and introduce new things into the show, new tricks and behaviors for the dolphins, and of course change the music, change the sound, change the lights. We also like to keep the dolphins active, so we don't always do things in the same sequence.
The concept encourages young generation to create new solution to help them, protect them and bring awareness for their needs and threats. Dubai Dolphinarium is equipped with the latest sound system, light effects and has a 180-degree main arena featuring 1200 cinema-style chair situated around a 30-meter saltwater pool. Dubai Dolphinarium's training pool area includes 3 pools where the dolphins have their own private habitat area and with water connected to the main arena pool. For health and welfare of animals, there are medical pool and separated seal pool enclosure. The colorful gift shop of Dubai Dolphinarium provides a variety of souvenir toys which have educational value and are all related to marine environment. All in all, Dubai Dolphinarium is your next destination to check out soon.
One of the best shows. Amazing to see those dolphins. Never seen that actually.
मिलने मिलाने का सिलसिला तो यूं ही चलता रहेगा, मगर इस हफ्ते के लिए अलविदा दोस्तों। इस वादे के साथ कि अगले ही हफ्ते हाजिर होते हैं विद अ फ्रेश न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ दुबई आई, कॉज इट्स दुबई फ्रॉम आवर आई।